pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about another.
When you outsmart the narcissist, they don't like that, and you become their enemy. So now you're basically, instead of being the prey, you're their enemy. Like, they used to want to use you and try to get all they could get out of you, but now they want to take you down when you take away their supply. And when you realize they a snake, when somebody show you who they are, believe them. Stop with the BS that you don't know, you didn't see the signs, you ignore the red flags. You ignored it on purpose because you wanted love. But listen, love doesn't hurt. Love is not gonna manipulate you. Somebody love you, they care about you, they're gonna care about your emotions, your feelings, your wants, your needs. They're gonna look at that and they're gonna cherish it. They're gonna cherish you and your time, your energy, everything you wasted. They're not gonna suck you dry, be energy vampire. They're not gonna do that. So that's not love, honey. That's not love, right? Don't get sabotaged by these manipulating spirits that's out here and they jumping from body to body. That's why you keep getting the same person, the same spirit in a different person. You keep dating different people and the spirit is jumping in the bodies. That is spiritual warfare. That means that the enemy is not the person. The enemy is deeper. It's a spirit. It's probably, you probably have some generational debt that you have to get rid of. You have to overcome that your ancestors and your people that passed on back then, they couldn't overcome. Like, say your family, women date married men and they basically they wasn't strong enough to defeat it. You have to defeat that, and you have to not settle for that and date married men, because you're cursing you in, I can't say that, because you are CURSING, your family and your bloodline. You don't want to spoil it. You don't want to dirty up your bloodline, basically. So heed my word, because it happened to me and it's happening to everybody. They just don't want to talk about it, but I already overcame it. I wrote the book, signed it, autographed it, and I'm done with it. That chapter is closed, burnt. It's not even happening again. So in this lifetime, I am free. You understand? Yeah. Free from narcissistic abuse. Oh boy. Free from narcissistic abuse and all of that extra dirty stuff that goes along with it, honey. So sorry. Just because you're single, you choose to be single, just like me. I choose to be single, but I'm not saying I'm single, but I choose to be. So, yep. Okay, moral of the story is, because I was going to get off, but let me let y'all know. If you're in an abusive relationship, let people know, get out of it. It doesn't matter. That's not love, right? 2, that's 1. 2, if someone shows you who they are, a snake, believe them. That's who they are. That's how they feel about you. If you're arguing with someone, if you're in a relationship, right? Let's say you're in a relationship, you treat this person really good. You don't know why they keep hurting you, why they keep cheating on you, because you let them. You let them back in. You forgave them, right? So you showed them that you basically are a pushover, right? You're going to allow the foolishness and the shenanigans. So you have to get away from them. They're a narcissist 9 times out of 10. And if you have explained to a man or a woman that you have issues, mommy issue, daddy issue, trauma, you haven't gotten over it because you still talking about it. You know how people know you haven't healed from something? You still talk about it. Stop talking about it. If you have a problem, keep it inside. Talk to God, write it down, script. You understand? Do what you have to do, but stop telling people stuff. If you meet somebody, stop telling them, oh, my mom, she abused me. Oh, Mom, I got mistreated. I got touched when I was a child. Don't tell people that, because, or my ex used to hit me. My ex used to do this to me, used to do this, cheat on me all the time. Don't tell no one that, because if they're getting to know you, they're going to know, oh, I could do this to them because they allowed it. Especially if you have children with the person prior to them, they're going to see what they could do to you worse. Don't do it. Did you hear what I said? Don't do it. Yeah. That's all I want to let y'all know, and stop keeping your stress and your issues inside, because bottling things up, you attract what you are. So if you holding on to negative energy and negative things inside, like if you jealous of people, or if you envious of people, or if you like feel some type of way, evil about people, or whatever you do, it will come back to you, okay? You will attract that in a person. You will have someone come and snake you because you are thinking about snaking somebody else. If you're at work and you're trying to get over on somebody, somebody will come and do it to you. Somebody will always, karma, there are laws of the universe. I don't care if you say you don't know. Google it, look it up, research it, okay? This is real, people. Spirituality is real. I don't know what people have going on in their brains, but if you think they tell you they spiritual, you think like they doing hoodoo and voodoo. No, that doesn't mean that, honey. The person that you might be in a relationship with and laying down in bed, they might be doing that. You know, putting stuff in spaghetti, making you eat it, putting a monthly in your food, making you drink it. A guy, he puts stuff in your stuff, taking your clothes and your underwears to other people. Yes, these people do this stuff, and they tell you they will be the first ones to act like spirituality is evil, but they're doing it. They are doing it. Okay, they are in a cult and they're doing it. And 9 times out of 10, they are in the church. Yes, they are. So I don't care what y'all say, because listen, people going through it every day. I meet people every day. They always telling me about what people have done to them. And this is not only me, this is everyone, especially if you are a light worker, a starseed, an empath, a super empath. If you are an enlightened being, it has happened to you. That's why they say you're the curse breaker. They say the generational curse breaker. That's why they say you are the black sheep. That's why they call them all these people that you know that's quiet. All these people that are introverts and they not extroverts. Those people that stay to themselves, they understand energy. They protect their energy. So protect your energy. If you notice that you're telling somebody, a friend or a bestie or whatever y'all call them, please. I used to have this girl call me wifey all the time, and whoever know me knows, and she always called me that, and she was so envious of me, like, for no reason. Girl, she had her boyfriend paying all her bills. I pay my own bills. I had to worry about me, but she steady asking me for money for her son, which was my godson. But come on now. Listen, people will use the hell out of you, and then when they're done with you, talk bad about you behind your back. That's why they in the past. I don't even think about these people no more, because they're like so low vibrational. I can't even, it's like I feel dirty and heavy just even thinking about them. It's disgusting. But if you are telling your business to someone and you notice that you're telling them and they supposed to be your friend and stuff is always going bad for you because they send an evil eye, they are taking what you have told them and they're turning around and they're wishing bad on you. Wishing bad on you. So you see I'm wearing my Buddha and not my necklace, because people that are religious, they like to leave comments in my comment section. That's why it gets deleted. And nobody wants to hear about if I looked up stuff. Obviously, I researched something. If I wear something because I want to, it's my body. This is my vessel. This is my vessel. And I'm a starseed. I can wear whatever I want to wear. It's not going to affect me. It's just something I like to wear, like jewelry. That's all it is. It's like jewelry. Like, come on. Think with your brains, people. But anyway, I'm going to wish y'all a good night, because it's nighttime, and I'm gonna let y'all, because it was raining, so as you see I got caught in the rain. Doesn't matter. Hope y'all protect your energy and be safe and stop getting trapped into these negative low vibrational situations. That's what I'm gonna call it, because they're not relationships. Sorry to tell you. All right, see you on my next video. Bye guys.